Hello everybody, this is Brandon Reacts TV and today I have another Woody Woodpecker reaction. This one is going to be Wild and Woody from 1948. So yeah, let's get into it. Here's Woody. I love that laugh. There you go. Okay, Woody. Okay. Rigor mortis, Arizona. Okay. I wouldn't want to go there.
Welcome to Rigor Mortis.
The original One-Hearst Town. They're not kidding, man. With a place called Rigor Mortis. Yeah. That's funny, man. Like it's supposed to be the original One-Horse Town, but One-Hearst Town. There you go. Ah, Buzz Buzzard. Yeah.
Buzz Buzzard.
Yeah. For killing 200 and what? Like 273, right? I think it said sheriffs. I'm gonna go back a bit. Yeah, 273 sheriffs. Wow. Sheriff's office. No one's gonna want to be sheriff.
He's your newly elected sheriff.
Oh, he's the new sheriff.
I intend to run this here Buzz Buzzard clean out of the county.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
He's like, oh yeah, I'll show you. Oh, yeah, it's the buzzard. You better run, sheriff. He's gonna add to the list. Mildew Meadows Golf Course. Oh yeah, there you go. He ran the sheriff out of town. Ooh, instantly, man. Oh, poor sheriff, man. He instantly he got him and he instantly put him in the grave, man. Wow. Wow, that's crazy, man. Poor sheriff, man. Oh.
First shot was in the rough. Back on the fairway.
Back on the fairway. Oh, he's counting it as a golf shot.
Back on in 4 and 2.
Oh no, that's not a golf shot. Oh man.
This course is getting tougher all the time.
Oh man, that was a deadly golf shot, man.
Sheriff wanted. Pensions paid promptly to widows.
To widows. Oh,
I
wow.
came along just in the nick of time.
No, you didn't. You don't want that job, Woody. You do not want that job. It's like they're already like pensions paid promptly to widows, and then job pays double in case of natural death. Oh man, but I guess I guess he'll pay it to the widow, right? Because oh man, like you're hired. You don't. There you go.
Where's this guy they call Buzz Buzzard?
He was around here, wasn't he?
Hands on that buzzard.
Oh.
Tear out his gizzard.
Oh no, I don't think you will, but we'll see. Maybe you will. Oh, he's right there.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I didn't say anything. What is that? Oh, okay, tobacco. Alright. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, Buzz Buzzard is tough, man. Ooh, in one puff, man. Oh, there you go.
Which gizzard was you gonna tear out of what buzz?
No, I didn't say anything. Yeah, Woody, get out of there. There you go, Woody. Run. Yeah, not so tough anymore, Woody. That's how it is, man. It's like when he thought he wasn't there, he was talking tough. And then when he saw him, oh no, I'm getting out of here. He shrunk. Like, that's how it is. Oh, okay. Oh, that's cool. It's a dog. Harry James and his orchestra. That's cool. Oh yeah, this guy's drunk, man. Wild Bill Hiccup. Oh, that's a good name for him.
Don't nobody move.
Where's Woody?
You sheriff's gonna have a drink together.
Oh no, we're not.
Ain't we, sheriff?
No, we're not.
What do you have, Shorty?
Shorty. Oh, Woody's getting angry though. Oh, there you go. Ooh.
What's yours?
Make mine red eye too.
Okay. Red eye. Old red eye. Okay. Oh wow! Why would you open it like that? It's not an egg. What are you doing, Buzzer? Okay, I guess I guess that should show his toughness. I mean, I could crack the bottle in half. I mean, okay, how are you gonna open it? Oh wow, that's even tougher, man. Okay, Woody. There you go. Ooh. Oh, it's gonna turn red. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh man.
Well, Sheriff.
Okay. Let's see, Woody. What is his response gonna be? Oh. Oh, Woody. Oh, he's gonna blow up. Oh, he blew up. Oh, okay. At least he's fine. Oh wow, he's a rocket now. Hey, maybe you could go ahead, Buzzer. Oh, low ceiling. There you go. Oh. Oh wow. Okay, Woody. Okay.
You better draw, Sheriff, because I'm a-coming to get you.
Uh-oh. Oh, what is that? What is that? Oh. Okay. Woody. There you go, Buzzer. Oh wow. Woody, now he's just making fun of him, man. Alright, Woody, alright. Okay. Woody, oh wow, he's right back at you. There you go. That's what you get. Oh, okay. It's turned into some baseball, man. That's what you get, Buzzer. Oh, now he's shooting at you. There you go. There you go. Hey, Woody's a tough sheriff. Oh, it's empty. Oh, no. Oh, what? Where's Woody? He was just in that little spot. Oh, wow. There you go. Oh. Oh, who's that? Oh, Woody's behind him. There you go. There you go. Wow. Okay, Woody. Okay. Man, that's crazy. I wasn't. Cause I saw like something behind him. Like, what is that? It was Woody, man. Okay, Woody. All right. Oh, there you go. That's what you get. There you go. Get some TNT. Oh wow, he's dead. He's a ghost. Oh, that's crazy.
Going up?
He's like, no, he's not. He's like, yeah, he is. Okay. Okay, Woody. Yeah, that was funny. Like, going up, Woody's like, no, get out of here. Going down, yes, he is. Oh, man. That's crazy, man. But yeah, he killed 270 or 74 sheriffs, right? Counting the new one that he added to his list. So yeah, he's definitely not going up. I mean, oh man, wow. No, this was a good one, really good one for sure. I did enjoy it. That it was a Wild West, Woody Woodpecker cartoon. That was cool. Yeah, no, I've been loving these Woody Woodpecker cartoons, and this is another great one. Really good. No complaints at all. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.